out this 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon Hard Rock. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 129,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon Hard Rock. Talk about beautiful. This Jeep is in firecracker red with black leather interior and heated seats. 3.6L V6 automatic with 128K. 37-inch tires, one owner. Hair Ace, what makes the Hard Rock special? Dana 44 front and rear axles. 4.10 axle gears. Tru-lock electronic locking differentials. Trac 4:1 transfer case. Electronic sway bar disconnect. Heavy-duty skid plates. $20,995. 1645 North Montana Avenue, Helena, Montana. 406-442-2931. jdautosols.net. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, power windows, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.